I'm doing something a little different this time. Rather than the more curated, shorter videos giving the brief overview of how to do a concept, I'm going to show you a little bit behind the scenes, looking at my thought process, thinking aloud processes as well. Shout out to Weston Peterson for giving me this idea. This is going to be a much longer video than usual, and I will do a follow-up video as well. This might be a new format where I'm going to be doing the long form, the shorter form, and then the super condensed form as well. We'll give this a try, see how that goes. I look forward to feedback on it. This particular one is going over line plots in matplotlib, so let's take a look at those. All right, so this is what I was previously working on, and we could use it. Let's see, what data am I using? Sunspots. Yeah, we should be able to. All right, so I need to open a folder. Visual Explorations is perfectly fine. All right, cool. Matplotlib, smooth line. Honestly, this is pretty similar to what I'd be working with, so it might be... Interesting. Might be better to do a different data set then. Let's see if I can remember what would be a good data set. Something space related that's got time series. Maybe something like launches by year. That could be fun. Let's see. Satellite launches by year. I don't care about that bit. So we have this as an option. That could work. NGYO. I think that's one of the orbital sites, so that might be interesting. Skyrocket.d could work. Oh, CSIS. I wonder if they have anything interesting for it. All right, let's see. Space.com, that's not quite what I wanted. All right, let's see. Ooh, sweet. That's got an option to download. And this goes through 2022. Okay. Well, that's pretty decent. That actually could be fun. Okay. I don't want everything. Download. Spreadsheet. Okay. It's only going through 2019 though. As you can see right here, let's see, what year are we looking at? 2019 is right here. We had a massive increase in launches after that. So, yeah, no. All right, that, yeah. I mean, this is actually interesting for being able to see more details by year. Lots of interesting information here, but that's not quite what I'm interested in right now. Let's see, payloads by country. And again, this is only going through 2019 too. No, thank you. All right, so that means this is going to be the most interesting piece. Let's see. Probably actually check first. Let's see. License, let's see, Creative Commons, good, okay. Reproduce, provided they're credited, okay. Cool, awesome, so that means I can use them. Nice. All right, so yeah, our world and data, annual number of launches, objects launched into space specifically. Linear, log, log is just a hot mess, but yeah, linear. Cool, map, oh, map. Yep. So many launches from the US right now. China's actually getting up there too. Russia, yeah. Cool. Table. See a bunch of stuff. Sources. Nice. Oh. Interesting. So they actually pulled this from... yeah. That's interesting. Let's see. Is this up to date? Doop-a-doop-a-doo. 15,442 objects. Nice. Is there that? What in the world? Okay, we got a designator, name, organization, date of launch, geostationary orbit location. Cool. Status, which orbit it's in. Nice. Okay, well, that's fine. Do they have a way to download it though? Yeah. Nah. Okay. Good to know, but yeah, I don't really want to bother with that. Let's see. Alright, yeah, we're going to need to download the full data set. Allow the download. Here we go. This is the data set we need. I'm going to move this to Visual Explorations. Does this have any information on where it came from? Or do I need to save that somewhere? Yeah, numbers. I need to change that so it defaults opening in LibreOffice. Doesn't really say anything. Okay, that's fine. Where's my README? Boop-a-doop-a-doop. I do miss Notepad Plus. What was it? Notepad Plus on Windows, but not available on Mac, so I gotta use something else. And in this case, I'm using TextMate, and it takes a while to open, which is annoying. All right, space to explore visual. Yes. Okay. Data sources. All right, let's see. Bup. All right, launch data. Let's just do it this way. Launch data. Launch data. Launch data. And plop that on in. All right, save. I remember if there's a way to view this. I mean, I think I did it right. We'll find out in a bit, but I think it's correct. Anyway, all right. Just gonna close the window rather than the app, just in case I need to use it again. All right, cool. So we got our new data set here. And let's see, instead of using this one, I'm still going to duplicate it to start from here, but I'm going to call this one matplotlib line chart. There we go. Rar. Okay, open this guy up. Don't need that. Probably going to end up not bothering with the spline, so I'll remove that stuff later, but we'll see just for the sake of seeing. All right, data equals, let's go find that again. This big block columns, actually I need to check that, and TextMate should do a decent job at showing me what I'm looking at. Okay, cool. Entity, code, year, yearly launches. Oops. And I'll just do a straight copy over here. Plop. Nope, wrong window. Here we go. Wrong application. Okay. All right. Good. Rename columns equals. Let's do it this way. All right. Entity. So that's fine. I can keep that. It's going to be country or agency, so that's fine. I'll just keep it. Honestly, do I want... No, it's... No. No, there's no point in renaming these columns. They're all fine as is. Let's see, read CSV. See if I can remember how to do the column import thing. I don't need this. Oops, spell that correctly. Column. Columns. Wait, no. I think it's, what is it, rows? Label. Well, let's just import it and see what we got. Okay. I gotta select my kernel. Alright, Python environments. That'll still work. It's probably a little out of date, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and run. Don't want to take that survey. Okay. Read our data. Pop. Let's see, this should show in variables. Yep. Hey, come over here. No. I mean, I do need that eventually too, but no. Go back here. Thank you. Variables. All right. Haha, data viewer. Nice. All right, so we've got an index here. We've got our entity, code, not a number. Hope that doesn't mess us up too much. All right, year, yearly launches. Okay. Cool. Yearly launches. Nice. Wee doop. And oh boy, we got a massive increase over here. Nice. All right, good. So yearly launches, those are the ones we really care about. Index to some degree, I suppose. Let's see. So we're going to want to, I think we're going to want to sort this by year. And then each year is going to get the total of yearly launches. And we can plot it from there. Alright, that's probably going to be pandas. Maybe able to hear my daughter enjoying some noises here. Alright, let's see. Read data. That's done. Okay, so read data. Set up. I'm half inclined to play with polars too, but I don't know. And she just spit up again. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Let's take a look again. Alright, so we've got our data read in. Let's go ahead and create a new cell. Add a code cell. Why am I not? Okay, hold up. Add markdown cell. Is this 2, I think? Setup. Nope. Right, that's a control enter. Okay, setup. And I don't need that. There we go, setup. Hi. Where did your press fire go? There it is. What? There you go. Okay. Alright, setup, read data. Let's go ahead and make this one clean data. Clean data or prepare data? Which do I want to use? Clean or prepare? Prepare is a little more encompassing. We'll use prepare data for this. Prepare data. Alright. Okay, so, prepare data. What do I need to do next? Let's see. I don't want to mess with the original data part here, but see, I guess I'll call it launches. All right, launches equals data. I think this is subsetting is how I want to do this. Year and yearly launches. Uh-oh. Okay, let's see. Definitely pulled that wrong. Alright, let's go to Obsidian. I don't know if I have a note for this yet. Probably pandas. Drop. Okay, so here we go. That's why I needed an extra column specifier here. Alright. Which shows you that I've run into this before. Ta-da! There we go. Alright, launches. Yay, now it's 2 instead of 4. Okay, and we still have a lot more entries than we're supposed to right now, though. So I need to combine these by year. Let's see, let's go ahead and save this first, and I'm going to upload this to start of matplotlib lines. Got that. Yeah, I have that committed to my working branch now. Okay, prepare data. Launches. Okay, well, this is a subset. Now I need to... there's a term for this in SQL, and I'm forgetting what that is right now. It's not exactly joining the data. It's kind of like a pivot table in Excel, but well. Anyway, let's see. All right, so let's take a search now. Probably going to go to Stack Overflow. All right. Combine multiple entries pandas. Multiple rows into a single row. I guess it is kind of joint. Okay, group by. That's what I was looking at. Cool. All right, so group by. Yeah, all right, so this one's an option, Stack Overflow. Let's see, we've got PyData, merge, maybe. Merging rows within a group together in pandas. That sounds pretty much like what I'm looking for. Skytowner. Statology, combine rows with same column values. That's definitely close to it. Merge, join, concat. Might look at that. Don't need strings. Alright, that should be decent to look at. Alright, so this is going to have some information on the documentation. May or may not be exactly what I need. Python documentation is trash, but the package documentation is actually kind of interesting. Alright, concat, maybe, but I don't think that's really what I want. I don't think that's really what I'm looking for. Let's try this one. Alright. Statology, basic syntax, aggregate, group by, aggregate, I think. Wait, why do you have aggregate functions though? Okay. Explain that in a moment, I guess. Okay, contains information about sales and returns, blah, 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 blah. Okay, got a dictionary here, ID, employee, sales, returns, and it says a data frame, cool, blah-ba-da-ba-doo, and I assume we're combining by employee, maybe? Oh, ID, close enough. Okay. Aggregate remaining columns. First sales sum, return sum. Employee first. Okay. Alright. Group by, aggregate. Aggregate functions. Interesting. Oh, because you got multiple ones, so that might actually just work without needing to do it that way. See, does this pull up group by? Hey, group by. Cool. All right. Group by. Okay. Alright, oh boy. Ooh, little burp. Do. Do we have any? I think this is just like a list of everything right now. Cumulative count. Huh, actually, that's interesting. Number each item in each group from 0 to length of that group. Interesting. Okay. Computation is descriptive. Oh, okay. So this is function stuff, which is cool, but that's not what I wanted. All right, computation. Count. Compute count of group, excluding missing values. That might work. Cumulative count, maybe. Group by count, probably. Let's see, does this open more details? Not exactly. Okay. Group by count might be exactly what I'm looking for. We'll see. Scrolly, rolly, rolly. Oh, series group. Okay. Data. Well, yeah, I'm using a data frame, so whatever. Okay. All right. So group by count. I think that's what I'm looking for. We're going to test it. Visual Studio Code. All right. Group by year. All right. I'm just going to redo the launches thing. It doesn't really matter here. All right, launches equals launches dot group by. Let's see, group by. The way they showed it here. Group by. All right, so this is going to be launches. And this is going to be year. And dot count, I think. Dot count. And I might need to specify a column here as well. Group, I don't know. Is that going to work? Well, let's give it a shot. All right, dot count. Launches, and it's not going to be year this time. Did I just misspelled that. Launches, thank you. Launches, yearly launches. Cool. All right, let's see if this works. Survey says no. Okay, one positional argument, but two were given. Okay. Let's see. Launches, for the purposes of experimentation, we'll do it this way. All right, count, and let's do this. That created something that might work, sort of. Let's see. Data viewer, launches 2. Ooh. Sort of, okay. It didn't really work. Alright, I'll be back again. Okay, she is down to nap, and I can try this again. So we have plenty of entries per year. Makes a little more sense. 57 only had 2 launches. Wow. Or at least 2 countries. Okay. Let's see. Let's go back to this again. So that did not work. What happens if I try this one instead? Instead of year, if I do year lean launches, I kind of doubt it's going to work, but let's give it a shot. Yeah, that's not quite cutting it either. What's this doing? This is what, count by one? Yeah, no, that's definitely not it. Okay. All right. Year. Do I need a sum? Maybe. So we're grouping by ID in this case. Aggregate functions. I don't think that's what I want though. No, it's not cumulative count either. Okay. I'm getting cumulative sum for each group? Maybe? I don't think that's... I don't know. We'll try it. All right. Sum... No, that's not it either. Okay. Let's see about some of the other things people had here. Merging rows within a group. Okay. Group by hobbies as index equals false. Dot aggregate. Huh, not join. Interesting. Using the aggregate function again. Interesting. Alright, let's see about here. Necessary only. I'm not logged into Stack Overflow in this browser. Okay, concatenate strings from several rows using pandas group by. Might be where I need to be. What was the previous one I was using here? Count? I don't know. Let's try that. Alright, so maybe. Blip-a-doop. Blip-a-doop. Let's see. Okay, so launches, year, count, and value counts. Is this any, I don't know, is that any different? Probably not really. I mean, yeah, it's obviously different, but like, is it going to do what I'm looking for? Oh, interesting. Just concatenated the counts there. That's kind of weird. Okay, nope, definitely not that one. Okay, let's give this a shot. Yep. Yearly launches. Wait, a moment. 66 by 0. That's not right. But actually, that might be right. That might just be correct. Nope, that's entirely incorrect. It's the same thing again. Okay. Okay, nope, that did not do it. Okay. What happens if I remove the count? If I just do that, what does it think about this? I don't think it likes it. It says, what are you doing? Okay. Merge, maybe? Mm-hmm. Yeah, climate nominals. Used those recently. Okay. I don't know. Is the merge what I really want to do, though? Maybe. Because it's the same. Hmm. Okay. I need index. Alright, I'm going to come back to this later. No. Yeah, that's not terribly helpful. Is there one here I didn't read yet? Merging rows. No. Okay, let's see. Pandas group by sum. Let's see if we've got some examples here. This is something I do. I move my tab over. And that way I can kind of keep up with what I'm trying to do. All right. Got some examples here. All right, try this. I need a group by one and sum by another. Okay. Oh, that might be why it didn't work well. Okay, let's try. Oh, actually, maybe it's dot sum is the whole issue anyway. Sum instead of count. Okay, let's see. Group by launches, year. Oh, wait, I don't need to do it that way. Okay. Group by year and yearly launches. Pop. Dot sum. Okay, let's see if this worked. Oh, that's looking a lot better. Woo, there we go. All right. Cool. Okay, that's what we needed. Excellent. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and add this to my Obsidian registry because I'm probably going to need that again. Okay. Group by and sum on separate columns. Pop. Cool. And I need a code section. Cool. Nice. Okay. I should go save that as well. Let's go to tips collection. Looks like there was some workspace stuff that got updated. There was an update to Obsidian since I last used it, so yeah. All right, pandas group by info. Cool. And I don't actually do much changes, so I just keep this on my main. All right, back to visual explorations. Good. Okay, now I can go close these all out. I may have to come back to them eventually, but I don't need them open right now. Okay. So this should work. Should do the same thing. Boop. Nice. All right. Can I remove it? No. There's a way to do that. I don't remember. Whatever. It'll reset when I reset the thing. Okay. Launches grouped by year now. Excellent. Nice. Although actually this might not quite be correct yet. I have year. I have yearly launches. That's the part I need to know. All right, let's check it here. Launches. Yearly launches. Let's see if this actually exists. It does not exist. See, that's the problem. I accidentally got rid of my column. Wait a moment. Okay. And if I try, say, year, it's the same thing. What is this type? It's a series. Oh, okay. Launches equals launch it. What is it? I think it's pd.data frame launches. Okay. I still don't quite think that's exactly what I'm looking for, though. It's closer, though. I do want to put that up here so that I still have a data frame. Launches, yearly launches. Well, that's a thing. Oh, ew. What? See, this looks like it's this looks like it's, sorry, two separate columns, but it doesn't actually seem to be doing that. Let's see if I can remember how to access a specific row. Was it dot loc? Index loc, so iloc. Integer, and I don't remember, it might be this way. Nope, that's not it. Let's try this way. Huh. Oh. The index got reset. Sort of. All right, let's go back to copyright. URL. All right, there was something about indexes that was mentioned here that I need to move. Did I? What in the world? Is this still the same thing? Right, group key using becomes an index. So as index equals false. Did I show where it's used? Group by, okay, so it's going to be in here as index equals false. I think it's this way, all right. As index equals false, and I like spaces. Okay, good. That's looking promising. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now we have our index. We have an actual year, and we have that. Sweet. Okay. This should still be the same. And this should, yeah, there we go. Sweet. Okay. So we have our data subsetted. It's now grouped by year. Good. Boop, boop. Nice. Good, that looks correct. Excellent. Okay, I can remove that cell now. All right, so we have our data prepared. Let's go ahead and save this state. Data prepared. Okay, data prepared. And we need to create our chart. Oh, I'm missing something at the top here for my setup. Let's see if I have it in Obsidian, matplotlib. Set DPI, sort of. Did I not actually add it? Well, I do need to make sure that the grid is below. That's pretty important. Set DPI. Figure size. I don't know if I want to adjust the figure size yet, but the figure DPI anyway. What do I usually do? 130? No, I think 300. That's usually what the default image printing is. Okay. There's a shortcut. What is it? This? Nope, that is definitely not it. Aha, there we go. It's been so long since I used Visual Studio Code. What is it, 2 months or so? I forgot about that shortcut for notes. Okay, matplotlib parameters. Nice. Axis below equals true. And figure.dpi. 300. Nice. Good. Okay. Prepare your data. I guess I should show both the default and then my what I would usually do for the line plot. All right, default line plot. Okay, so matplotlib line plot. I think it's kind of in here. So we can do this as subplots, which works. Okay. Oh, it'd be useful to actually have the correct data here. All right, launches. Year launches and yearly launches, right? Yearly launches. I'm actually going to remove my custom color for this as well. Does this still work? Oh, it does. Nice. Okay. That little thing suppresses that random output. Okay, cool. So you can see it. Whee! And I should add, without the details though, but I should, where I can move this back down. Okay. Oh, and actually, yeah, I probably want to do this so I can see something together. Okay. Why? I don't care about that. All right. Set title. Yeah. Tick parameters. Did I? Oh, I didn't actually do that for this. Okay, yeah, that's fine. All right, so this is default. Let's go ahead and put that plot title on it. Set title. And again, I'm not doing all that customization. Set title. Default line plot of yearly launches. Yearly launches. Nice. Boom. Cool. Huh. Well, actually, no, I guess I'm not so surprised. I was kind of expecting these numbers to be turned around. Oh, nice that they're facing the correct direction. Okay, good. Default line plot. That also doesn't... Thank you. Okay. Good. Okay. Default standard. I'm going to say my standard. That makes more sense. My standard line plot. That makes more sense. I should also save current status. Default plot.
Come on, Bominos. Everybody, let's go. What, mother?
And I'm the man.
And I'm the map. Come on, Bominos. Everybody, let's go. Come on, let's get to it. You know that we can.
Swiper, no swiping.
Swiper knows.
Oh my gosh. What the fuck is up with the backpack?
Come on. Okay, you're actually recording.
I'm actually recording.
Oh.
Yeah.
I hear it. Later.
Okay.
But dinner's almost ready soon.
Thank you. All right, standard line plot now. So, let's see. Oh, fig. Well, okay. All right, good. Doop-a-doop-a-doo. Standard line plot. Already got that here. Cool. All right, fig 2 subplots. Right. Okay. Now let's actually do this right. So we're going to put this in vermilion. Pop. And this shouldn't be required anymore. All right, and I'm just going to straight up copy all this out. Do I? Well, we'll see in a moment what I think about it. Okay. Title. Okay, I do actually need... This doesn't really say too much, though. For where I had this here, sunspots, it was just kind of like showing the general idea. For this, I actually do kind of care. Do I have that? I really should put images in this, too, so I know what I'm looking at. Okay, scatter plot. I think this one should actually be set the way that I need it to. Right, I have an actual grid on this. I used... well, anyway. Okay, let's copy out the grid. Good, we got the grid. All right, X label. Oh, right, because they're not actually, okay, right, yeah, so, don't I do that? We'll try that. Okay, let's see, where were we here? Yeah, I'm just going to do it this way, and I don't need that. I do need this part. Yeah. All right, spines, tick parameters again. Plot.show, of course. Okay, X label is year. Y label is launches. Close. Positioning is clearly not correct, but it's close. All right. Yeah, way off. So you can see here I've got this faint gray line. Is this? Yeah, this one's dotted too, and that basically it's just showing you if you want to use it, it's there. It's not really important. I might get rid of that on this one. But launches, I definitely need to move that. That thing is way in the wrong spot. Launches, let's see if location bottom label pad equals, I don't know, let's try 45. Closer. Let's do 55. Let's do 60. Yeah, that works. Okay. All right, cool. So we've got our years. Boopity bop bop bop. We've got our launches per year. You can definitely see. That's interesting. It's kind of steady, almost. Wow, that's a long time. And then commercial, other players, and bam, massive increase. Nice. All right. Oh yeah, this is default. This is, let's say preferred. Maybe is that going to fit? It does. Preferred line plot of yearly launches. Nice. Okay. All right. Do I want the grid? Yeah, I don't think the grid really matters for this one. I'm going to say no grid. Okay, cool. So we have our standard line plot. Nice. Good. All right, so we've got our default, and you can see, I mean, it works. It's just kind of bleh. And then we got this one here. There's no point in smoothing this. Nah. Okay. Let's go over here. Standard line plot added. Mine. Okay. All right. So I don't need interpolation stuff. I don't think I need any of these. Nice. Okay. Delete. Boom. Good. Okay. I'm going to. Let's see. Does restart work? All right. Restart the kernel. Run all. I'm sorry. What? Oh. Never mind. Okay. Right. Good. Qs. Okay. Do I need the XLM argument, though? I don't think I do. No, I don't need that argument. Okay. Good. Okay, so we have our figure, which is set as a subplot. Doesn't have to be, but it makes things a little more portable since subplots do get useful every so often. We have our plot, year, yearly launches, color. We have our title, font size, color. Our X label, font size, location, color. Yep. This is spine, so getting rid of these things which aren't really needed. Then we set the colors on that part of the spine. And positioning, we set these ones as not visible. Tick parameters. Actually, wait, this isn't needed either, is it? Shoot. Yeah, right, because yeah, that's not needed either since I got rid of the grid. Cool. Good. Okay. Nice. I think that should be good. Okay. Cool. There wasn't too much that I had to fix on that. That's nice. As you can see here, the plot.show, this got rid of all of the little text pop-up things that were causing issues earlier, which is why I do that. Nice. Good, good, good. All right. As a recap on the color stuff here, going for the book by Cole, what was her last name? Noffenbauer? I'm messing it up. Anyway, oh man, I'm already forgetting the title of the book too. Classic title on data visualizations. At any rate, she goes over the idea of you want the title to be kind of obvious, but it doesn't need to be super crazy. You want the sub items here like this to be sub items. And these, did I change the colors? This might actually, what is it? Color picker? Color meter, right. Okay. Let's see. That's solid black. Oh, oops. This isn't finished then. Okay, yeah. All right. This is darker than this, so I need to fix that. But yeah, so this is darkest, this is slightly darker, and then this is lighter. Basically a matter of where you want people to actually focus, and then of course you call out the color of the line that you care about, and then you get rid of all the extraneous stuff that doesn't matter, the big long block around everything, and other stuff like that. Okay, let's see if I can remember which one I just set incorrectly here. X label, Y label. Crikey. Wait a moment, I just got rid of spines that I didn't. How did I just add my spines back? That's probably why. Whoops. Oh, right. Undo is kind of whack here. I don't like this. Oh no. Flapples. Great, okay. Redo. 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 Okay. For some weird reason, undo doesn't actually care about all of that the way it should. Okay, spines, tick parameters. I think this was actually correct. I think I did need these. Okay. Add my tick parameters back in. And that's weird. Okay, let's try this again. There we go. Okay. Oh, I guess I do need those. Okay. Cool. Good. Corrected. Nice. All right, and then from here, I would credits. I don't need that anymore since I'm not using that section. Okay. Setup, read data, prepare data, default line plot, standard line plot. Nice. Good. All right, I can upload this now. Ready for shorter video. And let's go ahead and merge that into main. Holy moly, it's been 6 months since I last made a video. Okay. Working into main, yes, commit. Good. Cool. That can't be right. 6 months. Anyway, all right. So standard line plot. Yep, you got all this. Good, cool. So yeah, so I'd go through all this. This is one of the simpler ones, but there wasn't too much that I had to fix on it, which is nice. And now it's all set. Yeah. Let's see. Fix that. Good. Cool. All right. I shall see you in the shorter video in 2 weeks. Something I forgot about was that titles should be changed to something that actually tells a story, and obviously this doesn't tell that story. So when I was showing this to someone earlier, that came up, and as I was talking about it, I was like, oh, I should do that. Also, if you wanted to, you could like highlight this as a box or desaturate the rest of this, but that's a little more advanced than I want to get into right now, and that does take a little more time. So let's make this story descriptive rather. And the story here that I want to tell is that you have a significant increase in the last 3 years of launch data. So we'll say massive increase in let's see, launches, yearly launches. Let's see, massive increase in, let's do it this way. Last 3 years equal massive increase in yearly launches. We'll see. I don't remember if I can do new. I think I can do new lines, and then I have to like reset it somewhere. But anyway, yeah. So last 3 years. Oh yeah, and then you can see here. So if you got the font size wrong, it shrinks the actual chart to make up for that. So last 3 years showed massive. Let's do it this way. Increase in yearly launches. There we go. Okay, now we're talking. Okay, so now you can see the title is actually more or less centered over the chart the way it should be. So last 3 years showed massive increase in yearly launches. And you can see that here. Giddy-da-pew! Yee. All right, let's go ahead and upload this guy, GitHub. I'll need to take care of that at some point. Okay, this is the big one here. Change chart title. Honestly, I should also save this too. Visual explorations. Ooh, that could be in a folder. Let's do matplotlib. Matplotlib lines. We'll do that. And then I can move this over there as well. All right, and this is going to be final presentation. And we'll make this one default presentation. Default presentation. There we go. Nice. Okay, and now I can save this. Change chart title. Push to origin. Ta-da! Also, we do well to actually merge that. Holy cow, it's been 5 days. Yeah, that's another thing too. So sometimes it's not a lot per se on an individual thing, but it can take a little bit to actually find the time to do what's needed. And so it takes a little while to get through things because of that. But that's life for you. Boom. So that's how I think about all of this as I'm doing it. And as you can see, there can be some significant time gaps as well. This was 3 separate screen recordings. The first 2 were in the same day, and then the final one was a while later. So that tends to be how things go. I do little snippets at a time throughout the course of however long it happens to be for me to get what I need. Now that was a lot of information, and if you stuck through it, I greatly appreciate it. Please let me know what you thought about it, and if you want me to do more videos like these in the future. But that brings us to the end. To the stars!